Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to view and manage multiple inboxes at once in Outlook 365, step by step. If you're someone who handles more than one email account, whether for work, business, or personal use, you already know how overwhelming it can feel trying to keep everything organized and up to date. The good news is that Outlook 365 provides a practical way to bring all your accounts into one place, allowing you to manage everything from a single, convenient dashboard. So, let's go ahead and walk through the entire process step by step. First, make sure you're already logged in to Microsoft Outlook on your Windows device and that the application is fully open. Once you're inside the Outlook interface, the next important step is to confirm that every email account you want to monitor has been added to your Outlook profile. To do this, click on File in the top menu, then select Add Account. From there, enter the email address you want to connect and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Depending on your email provider, Outlook may use a secure sign-in process or ask you to configure the account using IMAP settings. Just follow the prompts carefully, and the setup should only take a minute or two. Repeat this exact process for each additional email account you want to include. Once you've added all your accounts successfully, you'll notice that everything is now accessible within a single Outlook dashboard. Now, let's make those inboxes easier to access and navigate. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a list of all your connected email accounts. Each account will appear separately, along with its folders such as Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and Outbox. You can click on any of these accounts to view its contents and manage emails just like you normally would. To make things even more efficient, locate each account's inbox in that left-hand panel, then right-click on it and select either Show in Favorites or Add to Favorites. This will pin that inbox to the Favorites section at the top, giving you quick and easy access without needing to scroll through all your accounts every time. Go ahead and repeat this step for every inbox you use frequently. Once they're all pinned, you can click and drag them to reorder the list so your most important or most active inbox appears exactly where you want it. This small customization can make a big difference in how quickly you navigate your emails. This setup is especially helpful if you're trying to keep different areas of your life organized, like separating work emails from personal ones while still having everything easily accessible in one unified space. It helps reduce clutter while still keeping everything within reach. If you're managing emails for multiple projects, clients, or responsibilities, this approach can significantly reduce distractions and help you stay organized throughout the day. It creates a more structured workflow, which ultimately saves you time and effort. With these steps in place, you'll be able to manage multiple inboxes in Outlook 365 much more efficiently and with far less hassle. That's it for today's tutorial. Take a few minutes to set this up for yourself and see how much smoother your email management becomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more practical tips and tutorials just like this one.